Ka Kanhun na North Goa Zila Panchayat, Kalajungo Yaka Khlaw Hills Autonomous District Council, Banwat Jingtip Yaka Rukam Trikam Jongka, Shibenta Banya Samlang Yaka Rukam Trikam Jongka Panchayat Hakate Gejala. Yaka Kanhun Kabalawan Menta Ka Khatwe Tarik Naitung Araja Arpaulai, Layalam da U Chairman U Sidesh but U Chief Executive Officer U Ajay Gos, but Naka KHADC Layalam U Chief Executive Member U Ba Penyat Sings Im. U Sidesh Ulaong Baka Jingwan Jungo Yaka KHADC, Kalong Banwat Jingtip Yaka Rukam Trikam Jongka, Bat Banra Shagowa, Banpan Bahaya Yaka Rukam Trikam Kibayahab. Kumju U CEO U Ajay Gos Ulayathu, Bakadon Ka Jingapher Ka Rukam Trikam Hapdeng Ka Zila Panchayat, Bat Ka District Council, Ulayathu Baka Goa Kadon Ki Shyiap Ka Duriau, Kat Baha Meghalaya Kadon Ki Khlaw Barben Bat Kilum Ba Itanat.
The study tour, as last year we visited state of Rajasthan to understand their state and understanding. See, we look at is how you all manage the waste management. We look at how you look at the processing of that, how you take up the infrastructure projects, what are the areas you touch upon, what are the ways you do it, what are the innovative practices that has been taken up in those states to improve the system that and then we go back, we review all those learnings from here, and then we come up with some kind of suggestions, if any, to the state. So surely we'll compile. We are there till 16th. We are there for next 4 days also in Meghalaya. Then 2 days we are in Guwahati. So we'll have a learnings from all these states, both the states and all the areas, and then we'll come up with some kind of suggestions, if any, to the last 2 days we are in Meghalaya. We have gone around. There is a lot to learn. We learn from each other. We could see a lot of things in terms of tourism, how it is going on. In areas, we went to hilly areas. We saw how the population is, or the people are living around, how they maintain. Those things we are taking back. We learned a lot also from the discussions. We have our own Panchayat Raj Act, under which the Jilla Panchayats and Gram Panchayats have been governed. Yes, Meghalaya has its own constitution and it has own understanding of implementation of that constitutional provisions. Although we have little different, but yes, we are taking some learnings as such. See how 85% is a tribal population, 6 schedule there are some tribal notified areas. So there are in Goa also there are tribal population of 12% is a tribal population. So some learnings what you all are doing here can be always implemented in the state of Goa.
Kanika sngi ni sokmen ban ya kendu ya kawe ka kenhuan kabawan ban tip benya shapang ka riti ka dustur khasi jungi khamtam balawan ban kendu ingi hangni po office jongka Khlaw Hills Autonomous District Council mentak sngi te ni danlang nakaliang ka executive committee nadu i deputy CM EM i chairman ngidon lang ban pediang subhai kini ki kenhun kani ka kenhun kade ka bawan na po Goa kade bawan na ka North District kiong ka Zila Panchayat Council hapo ka jingilam jong chairman hapo ka jingwan lang jong CEO Chief Executive Officer bat kini ki member te kiwan ban ikendu ingi bat ki pentip kerki menen hi baki lapoi sini sepo Shillong kikwa ban tip kam benya habidip ka rukom penyak kam gajungi hapo council but habidip keriti dustur kita ki bor nani kita ki powers and function ke baka district council gajungi ka pej ka lumthup lani ka kudup ka pej namta sinshar khadar ka pej namta ka it ke hima ka pej namta ki bopun haki benta ka ba haka hakanika kamjongka KHDC te nakaliang jungki ki penpau ya ka jingkemen hadin bangi la yo ban ya kendu bat niyo eka interaction discussion ka bolong sultanat ka ba seso ngiru ngitip khambha shapang ka sinshar khadar hangthi lingba kini ki Zila Panchayat Council bat kiru kitip khambha shapang jungi ka Khlaw Hills Autonomous Council Dekai kabor bangiyok kum ka council hapo ka knit ke bahan real jong ka constitution jong ka di India. Ke kani ka jing kendu bun ki bangi la ya keren se ki compare se ki bangi ni don hang ni bat ka baki ki don hang ti. Bat nakal yang juki ki penpau jing kemen ba ki yok ban kendu ini ban tip kham ba ban tip kham jeliu shushu habede kariti ke dustur ke jongi hang ni po dikasi jongi. Te ita